Hi guys, so today I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you another glitch. It's a cool glitch if you have no key card. It's where you basically go to I'm just gonna show you right now, okay guys? No, I don't want that. No. Okay, you go here. This works on anything. It works on the visiting place if you just want to escape with no helicopter. But I recommend you go with the helicopter because it's way better and you could get escape with the helicopter. You crawl, jump. Let's see if it actually works on this one. I'm not sure. Yep, it worked. You see? It worked. Now let's do it on the police station. Now I'm going to show you the tip. All you need to do is go at the front. Look at me, just look at me. I'm going to the front, crawl, zoom out. Like this. Now jump. You see how I actually jumped so high? How weird. Okay, I did it. Oh, come on. You see? Really, I need a helicopter right now. Show you one more time. It's your trick if you actually want to zoom out. I think it's really... It still works like this. I'm gonna go jump. Like that. So I do this. You got the front, just look at me. I'm going at the front like this. And then go like that. Go in front of the door, go this. Go in front, jump. And that's how you actually go. Really cool. Really cool glitch if you don't want to get a key card. I don't know how it works. To get one. Try it one more time. And then you go back up here. Enjoy your helicopter. Like that. Easy as pie. That's gonna be it for today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on notifications. That's all you need to do, okay guys? This is gonna be it for today's video. Bye bye.